Alright, I'm just doing a wee video on building this dog pen. It's going to be concrete pen, and then it's going to have a wire fence right around it and a gate here. So it's been sitting a while, I haven't had a chance to finish it. So it's going to be a gully here, and then I'm just going to shoot it. There's a ditch down there, I'm just going to run it into the ditch, and then I'll sand 20mm stone there. I want to put a layer of crusher run on it here as well, but I'll put these on time lapse and dig this wee ditch for the sewer pipe to go in. Alright, just show you what I've done here. That concrete, I've done it. I should have got someone else to give me a hand to mix it up. It was a bit tight getting it done myself, but it turned out alright, so it did. And then I put these curbs around it here. That's just to contain any of the dog waste. Go down into this gully and then go into the ditch. Let's give you a look around that curb. So these curbs, I had these left over from, they're actually from a job that I dug out there's just leftover, so there were. There's a few more left there. Just quickly give them a power wash, some of them. That one there was one of the ones, a power wash, but it didn't end up needing it. Yeah. So the plan is with this dog pen, or dog run, I'm going to use these bits of timber here. So there's a gate going to go here. That's why there's a bit of a step there. And then put them bits of timber round, a bit at the top right round and a bit at the bottom right round, and then there's enough there to make a gate. Got some fence planks there as well, 6 foot. And then I got this fencing material, what would you call that, chain link fence, 6 foot. So I'm going to put it right round, and then eventually I'm going to build like a wee bit of a shed here, the same length as this, just to store the dog's food in and the chicken's food. And I'll make a bit in here for the dog to come in, and then it'll have this whole space here to itself. But for the time being, I'm just going to put its box in there. I've made a wee temporary box there. It's just up there, so it is. Just threw out again 2 hours or something just to make it do me. But this box that I'm going to build, I want to make it insulated. And I say just be able to store the food and chicken food and stuff in it. So that's it. I'll crack on and start getting ready to put the chain link fence around it here, and then make a gate. Alright, I'm just doing the last take on this dog pen, or dog run. That's it all finished there. I just built the gate and done a few other things to it, so it's all sorted. Well, as I say, I'm going to put a water tap here and an outside plug there. I'll just use this area for mixing cement and concrete and stuff. And I'm going to build a batter box at the back. That there'll do for now. I want to build an insulated one for winter time. Come on, Belle. Come on, Belle. Come on, Belle. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Go and lay down. Come on, Bill. Stay. Sit. Sit. Good girl. That's Bill. She's a German pointer. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.